40 children were asked how many brothers and sisters they have. The results are in the table below. We want to construct a frequency table. Here we'll have the number of siblings. Remember, siblings are the total of their brothers and sisters. A tally to collect the information, and finally a frequency column. From the table of information we can see that the possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 for this group. Let's go to the first row. We have a 1, a 2, a 0, another 1, a 0, a 3, a 1, a 3, a 2, and finally a 1. Now for the second row we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, a 4, 3, 0, 1, and 1. In the third row we have a 1, a 2, a 0, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 1, followed by another 1, a 2, followed by another 2. Now for the final row we have a 0, a 3, a 2, a 4, a 2, a 1, a 3, a 2, a 0, and finally a 1. Reading off the frequencies, we can see 6, 14, 12, 6, and 2. It's always a good idea to total these frequencies to make sure we have the right amount of data. We were told that we had 40 children. If we add these frequencies, it does add to 40. While this doesn't guarantee that we got it right, at least we know that we have the right number of pieces of data, so we didn't miss any, and we didn't count any twice. It's worth noting at this stage exactly what a frequency of 6 means. We're saying we have a frequency of 6 for 0 siblings. This means the original data had 6 values in it of 0, so 6 of our children had no brothers and sisters. This may seem rather obvious, but later on in statistics I often ask pupils, what does the frequency actually mean? And over the years they lose the meaning. Therefore, really think about it carefully, and every time you see a frequency table, think about exactly what it means.